Draw the base first, then use Mirror to complete the shape. Use Auto Search to easily select connected elements for mirroring with golden tips you're about to learn. Welcome! Through this practice, you'll learn the key trick to using Auto Search to select elements the smart way. Initial section ready. Let's select it for mirroring. We don't select like this. We use Auto Search for connected elements. But what if you need to select several connected groups, like here? Select at least one element from each group. Auto Search grabs the whole group. Pick one or more from each group. Auto Search won't appear in the right-click menu if even one invalid element is selected. Don't include constraints, dimensions, absolute axis, planes, or anything else. However, using Auto Search from the Edit menu in the menu bar has no such limitation. It works no matter what elements are selected. You can also try the earlier trick. Activate the mirror tool first, then select all the elements. But this method mirrors all the extras and makes the sketch messy. Enjoyed the trick? Smash that like. Subscribe for more fast and pro CATIA sketches, and share your thoughts down in the comments.